Have you ever wondered how we got to where we are today? This question can be answered with one word: research. We have been researching since the beginning of time. We would not be able to solve problems, learn, stay healthy, or develop without it. There are many ways to conduct research, and one way is animal testing. It can be defined as tests or procedures done on live animals so that research on many things can be done. When you're out shopping, you might see that some products, like shampoo, have a button on them that says cruelty-free, and other products do not. The difference between these two products is that one brand does not test on animals and the other one will or has. Any product with the cruelty-free bunny does not test on animals. Animal testing does have its pros and cons. The pros include not having to put a human in harm's way, more medical development, and creating safe products. The cons include that it is inhumane, hurtful, and not always accurate. Animal testing has many cons, but the main one I see talked about is the fact that animals are not humans. The body of a human and an animal have so many differences. Even in species of animals, we react to things differently. One example of how we're different is that animals do not get some diseases like we do. According to the Cruelty Free International website, which is a leading organization when it comes to ending animal testing, an analysis showed that only 50% of the DNA that regulates genes in 100 mice matched with human genes. Another fact that this website stated is that the monkeys that are normally used for drug testing are resistant to some doses that can be deadly in humans. All of this can lead to inaccurate information, which is another con. According to one of the largest animal rights organizations, PETA, over 90% of drug trials on humans fail, even though they were successful with animals. Animals can also be harmed during trials and tests. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has stated that 300,000 animals are involved in tests or procedures that cause them pain. The 300,000 was just in 1 year. The Humane Society, which is very well known for taking care of animals, lists many reasons why animal testing is inhumane, but some of them are having no access to food and water, going through surgeries, being exposed to harmful drugs or chemicals, and sometimes death. While all these statements have cons, there are some pros as well. Animal testing does save us from having to test on humans. Humans and animals are alike in some ways. There are some body parts that we have that they have too. Animals and mammals share the same organs, which can become helpful in studying heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Not only does animal testing help us in the medical field, but it can also help us to create safe products for human use. It makes the risk of humans being harmed when using a new product less. At the beginning, I mentioned that the cruelty-free bunny on some products. I mentioned the cruelty-free bunny that is present on some products. So now with a little bit more information, you know a little bit more about what that cruelty-free bunny really means and what really is the difference between a product that has it and a product that doesn't have it. Animal testing is a hot topic in this generation, especially with our generation's views and the way we think. It is important for everyone to know the pros and cons of any topic, especially with a topic like this.